I welcome you all with my love and respects. When you share with community, cosmos showers on you. Understand? This is a law of creation of the wealth. Law of creating wealth is when it is shared, you are showered. There is no rich man who became rich just by being miser. There is no poor man who become poor by giving. It's a law of nature. By giving, never anybody has become poor. By holding, never anybody has become rich. It's a law of nature. So my blessings to Atlanta Satsang Center. And I tell you, now they will set a trend for evolving more and more and more satsang centers, temples and communities. One more important thing, today I am launching series of programs, N workshops. See, these programs I have designed specially to the people who want the rich knowledge of the Vedic tradition, but who can't understand or completely comprehend Vedic tradition. They will be put off if they see this Rudraksha. But they want what I am uttering, what I am adding to their life. Only the portable knowledge they want to enrich their life. So there's millions of people waiting for that. And I do not want to deny Vedic knowledge for them. I feel, let them also have it. Tadastu. Krishna says, do not break anybody's faith. See, they have faith in anti-Vedic tradition. Why to break? And Krishna says, add, enrich everybody's life as much as you can. In Gita very clearly Krishna says, don't break anybody's faith. So they feel the spirituality should be, or the great truth should be away from religion. I don't want to break their faith. I say, all right, tatastu, as you ask, as you want, let it happen to you. So there are a lot of people who do not straight away connect with the spirituality or religion or God or this non-portable lifestyle of Hinduism, Vedic tradition. But they want all the great rich knowledge to enrich their life. So I am announcing program Enrich. Enrich. And Livebliss workshop for breakthrough, it will be a 3 hours workshop. Livebliss workshop for the stress-free productivity, it's a 6-hour program. Livebliss workshop for fulfillment and success, 2-day, full 2-day program. And Livebliss workshop, leap into leadership consciousness, 2 full days. So first Livebliss workshop will be conducted from today in Bidadi. If you wanted to know more details about any of these workshops, write to the mail ID nworkshops@nityananda.org. nworkshops@nityananda.org. So now we are evolving almost in a university mold. I wanted to evolve 2 things. One, which adds to the knowledge part of your personality. See, many people want only knowledge to enrich their life. So, an institution to do only that job, like university, enriching you so that you can live your life in a much better way. Another one part, promoting the non-portable products, non-portable lifestyle, like Rudraksha, diet, vegetarian diet, this Vedic way of dressing, all these things. So now I am launching the university side, university component of our mission, sharing this knowledge, enriching people. All right. Now let us enter into the subject. Today's subject, Kundalini and health. Kundalini and health. Let me define Kundalini exactly, especially for the sake of newcomers. Kundalini is an extraordinary inner potential energy which is in every human being. Once awakened, not only can bring tremendous physical health and mental health and emotional fulfillment, can bring extraordinary powers, can manifest extraordinary experiences and powers in your personality, extraordinary joy in your personality. Please understand, when systematically awakened, it can add to extraordinary power, strength, energy. It is time-tested, foolproof, side-effect free, science evolved, experimented, experienced, expressed by the great Vedic inner scientists, rishis. Here, offered to you from the unbroken lineage, we call it Karana Parampara, means only heard from guru to disciple, guru to disciple. Karana Parampara means never written. Guru teaches to disciple, disciple teaches to his disciple. Succession of unbroken lineage of enlightened beings. It is transmitted and now it is here available to all of you as one of the great signs. One unique thing we did as our contribution, doing modern day scientific study on this Kundalini awakening. As you are all maybe aware, the last inner awakening we did a research, scientific study on group of people. Whoever had initiation, actually whoever accepted to participate in the program, all the people who participated, of course all of them had initiation every day. Within 18 days of Kundalini awakening initiation, all of them had 1300% of increase in mitochondria cell energy level, which is groundbreaking, earth-shattering, because maximum the mitochondria cell energy level can be increased by any available drug, therapy, yoga, exercise, only 30 to 40%. But this process has increased the mitochondria energy level to 1300%. I think this doing scientific study, validating it and presenting it to the world. All the participants who participated had this experience. This is what is our contribution. When the Kundalini is awakened, not only it brings tremendous energy into your mitochondria cell energy level, it completely recreates, rejuvenates your inner organs. I'll now continue my studies and prove how this Kundalini awakening heals, replaces, replenishes, rejuvenates, recreates the organs. Please understand, I am making this statement very consciously. Even the internal organs are recreated by the Kundalini awakening. And Kundalini awakening can directly make you young, not just look young. It can really make you young. Because the mitochondria cell, if it becomes old and tired and starts dying, that is the aging process and death process. When the mitochondria cell energy is drastically improved, the degradation, deterioration and death of the mitochondria cell energy is stopped. So naturally it becomes anti-aging. The aging process stops. Not only you will look younger, you will be younger. This is the best technique to grow young. In your muscle memory, you have layers and layers of muscle memory. Understand this one truth. You are almost like visualize this. You are made out of layers and layers of clothes. For example, 25 saris are put one on another and pressed tightly. On that material you are made. Each layer sari is one layer of your engrams. For example, at the age of 3, all your desire, fear, greed, anger, pain, pleasure, everything is dependent on your mother's physical nearness. I am giving you an example. If mother's physical nearness is there, it is joy. If it is not there, it is pain. If there is an insecurity, it may not be there at all, that is a fear. Everything revolves around your mother's physical nearness. At the age of 7, all your fear, greed, anger, pain, pleasure revolves around the toys you have. At the age of 10, all your pain, fear, greed, everything revolves around the need of friends. Living toys you have. If you have more friends, you feel more joy. Less friend, pain. And fear of losing a friend. Pleasure of having one more friend. Everything revolves around your friends. Having friends. That's one more layer. Around the age of 14, everything revolves around not just a friend. You evolve to a deeper relationship partner. It may not be always the other gender. It may be even among your friend, but one partner, kind of a person with whom you completely open up, with whom you can share your life. So now all your fear, greed, pleasure, pain revolves around the person, your partner. That is one more layer. Then after some time, it revolves around a need for a life partner, a lover, beloved. So like this, each layer of your biomemory is compressed and your body is made out. Awakening the Kundalini will completely liberate you from all these layers and layers of muscle memory, which is responsible for all your physical disorders and mental disorders. I tell you, the fears you had around your mother, the fears you had around your toys, the fears you had around your friend, fears you had around your partner, fears you have around your soulmate will be in the same trend. I can challenge. When your mother's physical presence was taken away from you at the age of 3, how your breathing was chaotic, frightened, insecure. Exactly that same breathing trend will be there when your beloved says no to your relationship and breaks from you. It will be exactly same, maybe a little deeper, because your body has grown. Otherwise, it is layer by layer by layer by layer. The trend is same, only different layers. The trend is same, only different layers. I tell you, the trend is that 7th chakra. Greed, fear, worry, need, comparison, jealousy, and asserting, ego, and unfulfilled feeling. This is the trend. And layer by layer, on the same trend, every cloth gets colored. The first cloth is your mother's physical presence. Second cloth is your toys. Third cloth is your friend. Fourth cloth is little deeper close friend, partner. Fifth cloth is life partner, soulmate. Sixth cloth may be the wealth. All these are layers and layers and layers of cloth. All these clothes gets colored by the 7 colors. You are nothing but a toy made out of layers of clothes colored in the 7 trends. That's it. Kundalini will completely wash you. Why do you think people are jumping when the Kundalini is awakened? I am putting them in a washing machine. I am a huge laundry. When you put clothes in the washing machine, what will happen? All the churning happens. My presence is the washing machine. Words are the detergent. And the joy which the Kundalini awakening creates in your body is the water. That is why you run around. Grr, 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 grr. Yan Kriya is the power supply. And after that, after we wash it and finish it, we just dry, iron it, and put the label, enlightened, and send it to the world. N clothes, like energy beads. I can tell you, in the ashram, especially after I started giving this Kundalini awakening initiation, our medical bill has fallen 90%. Earlier, if it was monthly 100 rupee, now it has come down to 10 rupee. Understand? I have all kinds of sick people around me. I am more like an hospital. But Even with this all kinds of sick people, if 90% of the medical bill drops, then understand the power of this Kundalini awakening. You don't need to go for testimony anywhere around. Just my Biddi campus is enough. One lady goes to hospital for the brain transplantation of her husband. Doctor asks her, what kind of brain do you want for your husband? If it is scientist's brain, it will cost $50,000. If it is doctor's brain, it will cost $60,000. If it is lawyer's brain, it will cost $1 million. She was shocked. Usually the rate will be fixed based on the people's demand. Who will demand lawyer's brain? She asked, anyhow, I am not going to choose. But I wanted to know, who in the hell chooses lawyer's brain? You are praising it $1 million. He says, no, it is not because of demand. You do not know how many lawyers said we need to open to get half a pound brain. Then understand how much people have become healthy. It's a very powerful technique. You don't need to do anything. Just sit around the washing machine, that's all. When the clothes around you, next to you are getting churned, don't have fear. Sometimes they will slap on you also. And I know there are few who do purposely. And this is the time to slap. Kundalini awakening is Sarva Roga Nivarani. It alters the very setup of your basic units of the body. If you call it DNA or molecular level or genetical level, whatever is the basic unit of your physical construction is thoroughly altered by Kundalini awakening. All it takes is Yan Kriya and Master's presence. Yan Kriya is almost like a hammering the Kundalini snake which is just sleeping. When you hammer a snake, what will happen? And this snake cannot be killed. That's the important thing. It will just wake up and reach your crown center. Vomit nectar, not poison. This snake is a snake filled with nectar, not poison. I can tell you, when the Kundalini is awakened, your skin starts shining because layer by layer your engrams get cleaned. Layer by layer, the Kundalini energy gets infused. I am seeing very serious problems, tumors, very serious illnesses, long time back pain, long time depression, all these disappearing by this levitation, the Kundalini awakening. I only wanted to insist on sitting in Padmasana and continuously unclutching even while levitation is happening in you. so that it became a proper, beautiful flow. Not just hopping. It will be a proper yogic flying. Raise, be in the sky for a few seconds in that ecstasy and land. It will be almost like a paragliding. It will give you the paragliding experience. Raising, being in the sky and beautifully landing. Even while levitation is happening, unclutch. Continue to unclutch. I will now initiate all of you into this powerful Yan Kriya, which is a direct process for awakening the Kundalini. Houston, Dhyanatma's mother, don't drink water, you are going to do Kriya now. How will you do what? Do Kriya. Before this Kriya, at least 10-20 minutes, don't eat or drink anything, because your body needs to be a little free. And these guys forget you are sitting in my presence. You may forget, but I am remembering. That is the power of Nayana Diksha. See, if you are seeing me, you need to be continuously alert to do whatever I am saying. But if I am also seeing you, you can be rest assured you are doing it properly, otherwise I am going to catch you. The constant, vigilant eyes of the Master is on you to guide, direct, evolve. I am telling you, really I am so happy for all the centers who are having the two-way video conferencing, because the initiation, not only giving you the technique, I am ensuring you are doing it properly. And Nayana Diksha, when Master sees you, a special kind of energy falls on you. Initiation happens in you. Constantly I am seeing people who are sincerely doing it, attending it, and able to connect with them more, able to give some special instructions if needed. I tell you, you seeing me, okay, but not that great, like Master seeing you, me seeing you. Because when I see you, you cannot drink water now. You have to do the Kriya properly. It's almost like a directly sitting in front of me and being guided. And one nice thing, this 360-degree vision also comes handy now. I am seeing all over the world. But even one person moving anywhere, doing a small mischief, I will know just like that. You can tell very clearly. Even the person who is sitting in the last row in Singapore, I can say very clearly, he is not sitting properly. The guy white t-shirt, last row, he is constantly moving around. It is very nice to be in the direct eyes of the Master and do this kind of extraordinary processes. Yesterday there was a Vibhuti materialization in Houston, Padukas. In the website they reported mistakenly as a New York. The moment I saw the Paduka on the photograph, I said, no, it looks like Houston. How do you say it's a New York? Then they said, yes, Swamiji, we will alter it. Now by seeing again and again different centers, I just know which center has Paduka and background, cloth, everything. It is always good not only seeing the master, be seen by the master. Being seen by the master, so that it becomes easy. Let me enter into the Kriya initiation. Please understand. I'll give you the instruction now. Don't do now. We'll start next. The first step. Please understand. It is one of the most powerful, sacred secret from the Saraswati civilization directly. I do not know how many thousands of years before this secret was discovered and evolved to awaken the intense inner potential energy of your body and alter the very basic unit of your body, which you may call as a DNA or molecular or genetical system, whatever you call it, to alter the whole thing for good. Now I am making this science available to you all after doing thorough scientific study and observation. And I tell you, no side effect, no negative effect, only side effect is health and bliss. Do it with courage and sincerity. My only request is, if you already have any serious heart conditions, hypertension, high blood pressure, other serious illnesses, then don't do. Just sit and sit with restful awareness in this presence. When others are doing this kriya, that is enough, because your bio-memory is very intelligent. It catches the high frequency and energy even while others create it. This is what I call passive kriya, like a passive smoking. How a passive smoking also affects a person who is not directly smoking, same way passive kriya also brings health to you. If you are sitting around the people who are levitating, if 7 people are levitating in the group where you are sitting, I guarantee within 21 days your body will catch levitation. Because your muscle memory is very intelligent. Even without you doing a kriya, if you are sitting with a group of people who are levitating, your muscle memory will catch it and it will start jumping. It will start doing it. I bless you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, radiate, express and share the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
My trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare. I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. If this is we had a deep connection.